Hi students, welcome to my channel Mastering Physics and Math. And let us solve the first two questions from this paper. Paper 1, Pure Mathematics, Advanced Subsidiary, Pearson Edexcel, Wednesday, 15 May 2019. First question. The line L1 has equation 2x plus 4y minus 3 equals 0. The line L2 has equation y equals mx plus 7, where m is a constant. Given that L1 and L2 are perpendicular, find the value of m. Now line L1, 2x plus 4y minus 3 equals 0. Now 4y, keep 4y on the left side and take 2x to the right side, minus 2x and minus 3 also, plus 3. Now dividing all terms by 4, minus 2 over 4 is minus half, plus 3 over 4. Now comparing this equation with the general form of the equation for a straight line, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So m equals minus half. Now since L1 is perpendicular to L2, so this means that M1, M2 equals minus 1. Now multiply both sides by negative 1. So this means that m2 over 2 equals 1 and m2 equals 2. So line L2 is y equals mx 2x plus 7. Now part B, the lines L1 and L2 meet at the point B. Find the x coordinates of B. This is for L2 and this is for L1. So the right side here must equal the right side here. So 2x plus 7 equals minus half x plus 3 over 4. Now adding half x to both sides, we have 2 and half x plus 7 equals 3 over 4. Now taking, this can be written as 5 over 2 x, and taking the 7 to the right side equals negative 7 plus 3 over 4. Write minus 7 minus 28 over 4 making a common denominator, so this equals minus 25 over 4. Now this 5 divided by 5 is 1, and this 25 divided by 5 is 5, and this 2 over 2 is 1, and here 4 over 2 is 2. So the answer is K equals negative 5 over 2 equals negative 2.5. And we can see this on the grid sheet. Now this is the first line, this is the red line, minus 0.5x plus 3 over 4, and this is the second line, y equals 2x plus 7. This is the blue line, and this is the point of intersection. See the coordinates here, x is minus 2.5 and y is 2, and it is obvious that the two lines are perpendicular to each other. Now question 2. Find using algebra or real solutions to the equation I 16a squared equals 2 root a. Now this equation, now 16a squared equals 2a a to power half. Now divide both sides by 2. So 8 a squared equals a to half. Now factorizing, taking a to half as a common factor to 8. Now a squared divided by a to half is a to power 3 over 2. Minus 1. Now a to half equals 0. This means that a equals 0. Or 8 a to power 3 over 2 minus 1 equals 0. Now taking minus 2 to the right side, we have 8 a to 3 over 2 equals 1. Dividing both sides by 8, so a to 3 over 2 equals 1 over 8. One over 8 is 2 to power 3, which is equals to 2 to power negative 3. Now taking the cubic root for both sides, take the cube root, so the cube root of a to power 3 over 2 is a to half. And the cube root of a to minus 3 is 2 to minus 3 is 2 to minus 1. Now squaring, so we get a equals 2 to negative 2 equals 1 over 2 to power 2. That is a equals 1 over 4. Is a equals 1 over 4. Now double I, solving this equation, b to 4 plus 7b squared minus 18 equals 0. Now factorizing, now b to 4 is factorized as b squared times b squared. and the negative 18 is factorized to 9 and 2. One is positive and the other is negative. The greater one, that is the 9, its sign is similar to the sign of this, the middle term. So 9 is positive and 2 is negative. Now b squared minus 2 equals 0. So b squared equals 2. So b equals positive or negative square root of 2. And b squared plus 9 equals 0. This b squared equals minus 9, and this have no real solution. So no real solution. So the set of solution for this question Thank you for following me, and bye bye.